I won't mind some of these for my rears.
I don't think I've seen these ones yet.
They're just a model up from them radius, but they're good. Baseball bungs again. Mad, isn't it? I suppose if you don't like bass.
Don't get the speakers.
Yeah. Allen key. Don't know what that's for. Rubber feet.
Yeah,
These
it'd be for all the...
Hopefully I got some speaker spikes so I could borrow them for my caps. They're a bit deeper than the radius, aren't they?
They're about 4 times bigger, aren't they?
Oh, separate grills. Let's pop that there a sec. Out of the road. Shame because you're not going to see the speakers in that cabinet.
How much are these ones then?
I bet they're 450 quid a pair. 450 or 500 quid for a pair. Because what the radius? 350 a pair.
Are they?
Yeah.
What, the little R90s?
Yeah. They're going to sound good though, aren't they?
Yeah, because those R90s sound really good.
Just got to be careful that we've got clean hands when we touch these because they're like satin white. Quite nice actually, aren't they? I like them not glossy. So it's not a fingerprint magnet. You can bi-amp them as well. Not that we are, but you can. Oh, that's just for the mount, isn't it? The Allen key then.
Yeah.
That's cool. Just get a grill out. Can't use a knife. So you're not qualified. Ah, magnetic, I'm guessing. Nope. Cool. Nothing to locate it though, but saying that, I suppose
It's
the
magnets themselves
pretty
do it,
much
don't
locate
they?
it, so
Yeah.
that's pretty good.
I know, it's sort of the big ones. Yeah, they're pretty nice.
Yeah, I like them. Cool, that'll do.